Privation. Do you really experience sense of privation? Do you have your self-determination to go through necessary hardships in order to know what you need to experience to pursue the reality of love? You have to go through necessary hardships. Listen to your heart. Hardship you feel in your heart is not the one you hate. It is a way for you to pursue the reality of mutual love. Love is not that easy. Love is the one you need to actualize for it to be. Spending fruitful time to diffuse a sense of happiness to the one whom you love. Usually, human beings need so many years to realize this stage. You must be in a predicament. Then now, philosophize yourself to think of the importance of predicament, which you need.